to be self-evident that all men are created equal.
Break it down for a nigga. Won't break it down just a little. Had love for a nigga, but they steady playing games with a nigga. Steady throwing names for a nigga. One time for you niggas in the void with my stash. Tryna make it last. Fucks overflow like they did in the past. Ain't with me, they still tryna ask. Fuck you all know about me. Fuck a
Where
nigga,
they will
bitch,
not be
I'm
judged by the
40
color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today